Hello and welcome to Create with 2025. We're so happy to have you at this year's sold out conference. Today we've got 40 speakers across 30 sessions on 3 stages. The barriers to entry for building software are dropping every day, and we wanted to create the ultimate forum to learn and connect.
We met so many people who are building amazing businesses without writing the code themselves. This is getting more and more possible to do. It's something we couldn't have even imagined a couple of years ago, and yet here we are filling rooms with people who are interested in doing that.
With vibe coding, with visual development, it's never been easier for us to get our ideas out into the world.
People in the no-code world are the best positioned to make best use of this kind of revolution.
So if you're an expert at anything, and you become an expert AI user, you will literally be able to create the same value as entire departments before. So the good news is actually maybe then the people that didn't feel like they previously had so much leverage, like let's say maybe you're the product manager and you have to always get some engineers to do something. Well, now you can just do it yourself, right? That's pretty cool.
This event is amazing. Just meeting with all the builders and all the developers, and we're just discussing how are the requirements, the business side of thing, and it's more from eye to eye level, and it's super cool.
I work in the kind of not-for-profit tech for good sector, so it's really great to step out of that space and learn from builders, makers, entrepreneurs, and pick out some tips from them.
So many great talks, great content, and really good to see there's a really good gender mix here compared to a lot of tech events.
It was amazing. I really enjoyed being here. It was really well organized, and I want to really thank you because everybody was very supportive. The team was just amazing.
Yeah, I basically realised that my use of ChatGPT is somewhat limited compared to what some other people are doing.
Very nice. It was very great. Yeah. Very happy to be here. Congratulations for this event.
Thank you.
Of all the events I've been to, it's got to be the friendliest crowd I've probably ever had. Everybody's just so open to chatting, super friendly. So it's been, really great day.